Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thailand has never attained developed or wealthy status. What are we talking about here? Well, I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Thai Examiner, thaiexaminer.com. Article is titled, Economy at Crossroads, World Bank Calls for Structural Reform to Avert 2 Decades of Low Growth. Quoting directly, it is accepted that a fertility rate of 2.1 is needed to maintain a country's population. Thailand, unlike many other countries, is well below that figure. However, Thailand, unlike most others, has never attained a developed or wealthy status. Wow. Outsider, whoever you are that wrote this, I don't know what Thailand you're looking at, but the Thailand I see, pretty wealthy, pretty developed. You know, does it look exactly like what you say a developed country should look like? Maybe not, you know, but I kind of like that about Thailand. You know, these also might be the same kind of people that would come down to Kansas and, you know, tell us that, you know, we're not developed enough or something like this. You know, what works for Thailand works for Thailand. But make no mistake, Thailand does not lack national wealth. And then people go on and on about, oh, there's a big disparity between, you know, the wealthy and the lower classes in Thailand. Yeah, there are some inequality issues. First of all, every time I ever hear that argument or I ever hear that diagnosis of a symptom, immediately the next thing out of people's mouth is, we need to redistribute wealth. And it's like, well, that's always worked so well. So yeah, let's go run off and do that. You know, so yeah, there are some inequality issues. That being said, you know, the folks at the low end of the strata in terms of economic purchasing power, however you want to look at it in Thailand, are still orders of magnitude ahead of many folks that populate other countries very close in physical proximity to Thailand. So, you know, when it's like, what are we comparing here? Yeah, okay, a Western outsider, whatever, or any outsider can look on Thailand and say, oh, you've got this structural problem with inequality, or you have these issues. And yeah, it's not unfair to bring those up, but it is unfair to look at them without looking at the broader context of the overall economy here. And at the end of the day, I would say Thailand is a developed country. You know, is it still developing in certain parts? It is. But the country itself, if you look at it in its totality, is most assuredly a developed nation. And I don't think there's any doubt, I was downtown last night walking around the area near Khao San Road, down near the palace, and anybody that comes to and goes to downtown Bangkok and looks at some of the national monuments and just that whole area, if you don't think that this country is wealthy, I don't know what to tell you. You're obviously almost willfully blind to the facts in front of your face.